Hello everyone, my name is Runa Chakravorty and today I'll be speaking on a topic size reduction. So size reduction is a process where the large solid unit masses are converted into small unit masses to make fine small particles. So in pharmaceutical industries, while making any dosage form, we require fine particles because pharmaceutical ingredients come in different sizes which may cause various problems in making tablets or capsules. So in order to avoid those problems, we need to make particles of small sizes. It has got many advantages like number one, pharmaceutical stability. So pharmaceutical formulations like emulsions, suspensions, they become stable when the particles are small. Otherwise, the rate of sedimentation increases, which makes the formulations unstable. Secondly, content uniformity. So particle mixing and various other processes becomes uniform and effective when particles are of finer size or smaller size. Thirdly, improved flowability. So, in pharmaceutical industries, while making various dosage forms like tablet making or capsule making, we need to make the flow of powders from the hopper to the die, and it becomes effective when the particles are of smaller size. Fourthly, improved absorption. Fine particles or smaller particles increases the rate of absorption compared to larger particles. Next one is improved dissolution. So if the particles are of larger size, the dissolution rate of the particles becomes slower. So in order to improve the rate of dissolution, the particle size needs to be reduced to finer particles. Though it has many advantages, it has got several disadvantages as well, like drug degradability. While reduction of particles, we need to use various meals. So during milling, heat is produced and which may degrade the substances which are thermolabile. So that's why one needs to be very careful while using thermolabile substances for size reduction. Next one is pore mixing. Because of small particle size, sometimes small particles have larger cohesive forces, and because of which they agglomerate and form lump, which affect the mixing of various ingredients. And fourthly, pore contamination. During milling, the surfaces of various parts of the meal may wear off and gets mixed with the particles, and that may cause contamination. So these are the disadvantages of size reduction. And for size reduction, various mechanisms are there. So mainly the size reduction is done by applying some stresses on the surfaces of the substances. So various kind of stresses are applied on the surfaces, like mainly there are four stresses which are applied for size reduction. Number one, cutting. So the soft substances or fibrous substances like vegetables, they are generally size reduced by using cutting. Secondly, compression. The hard particles are size reduced by compression. So third one is impact, and fourth one is uh, attrition. So these four stresses are applied during size reduction. So with this, I conclude my today's class. If you have any query, you can comment down below. Thank you.